Let's permanently delete your Instagram Lite account. To start, you can use your Instagram Lite application. Then tap the profile icon in the bottom right corner. Now tap the hamburger menu in the top right corner. In this pop-up window, select Settings. Now open Account Center as the first option. Here see the last option, Manage Account. Now just tap the Manage button next to Instagram. See the second option, Deactivate or Deletion. The default selection is Deactivate, so you have to change it to Delete. Tap Delete or check Delete, then tap Continue. Here see that the very first reason, just need a break. Now tap Continue again. Here it asks you to deactivate instead. No, we don't want to deactivate, we want to permanently delete it. As well as you can download copy of your information. After deleting, you can't retrieve anything you have added. Then you can go forward and enter your password to verify yourself. Now you will get this final deletion window. Just tap Delete Account, then your account will be scheduled for permanent deletion, as well as you will get this kind of little notice too. Then you will be logged out from your Instagram account. Instead of deleting, if you want to temporarily deactivate it, just click this end screen video and come on over. See you in the next one. Later.